What is decorator? Decorator in Python is a function that adds extra functionality to another function without changing its original code. Simple definition: decorators wrap another function to extend its behavior. This is a basic syntax to create a decorator function. This is my decorator function right now. So here what happened, I passed the argument as a original function, and here I am using the original function. Here I created a original function named say hello and printed hello world, and this is the my decorator function. Here I am calling the decorator function. So I'm going to run this code and we will check the output. Here you can see the output of the function. When I call function say hello, decorator function changes the behavior of the original function. This is how we are using decorator in Python.